Hey, what up guys? So I'm doing another 350Z vlog. This is pretty much part 2 of my last vlog, which is the anime decal. I already got the driver side and the passenger side on there, and now I just gotta do the hood, which is this one. So what I'm planning on doing is cutting them both out and then marking it onto the hood just to make sure it's right where I want it, and then after that I'm gonna permanently stick them on the hood. That way it's all done. So all I gotta do right now is cut them two out, and then I'll get back with you guys after that. Alright guys, this is what I got done so far. I still have a lot more cutting to do, but this is just a quick update. Alright guys, so I got it marked up on my hood. The way I have it right now, if I put it on there the way exactly it is, I'm gonna be losing a lot of the image. I'm gonna end up cutting a bunch of it off. Like all this stuff here, I have to cut all this stuff off, and I don't want to do that. And plus it doesn't look right the way the legs are cut off and the hair. And then I gotta end up cutting all this off, and again I don't want to do that. So I gotta figure out a way to put this on there without losing a lot of the image or cutting a bunch of the image off. But I'll figure it out some way. Alright guys, I think I found the best way to stick the decal on the hood the best possible way I could. But no matter how I rearrange the image, I'm gonna end up cutting some of it off anyway. So this is like the best way I could put the decals on there without losing a lot of the image. Like right here, I'm gonna end up cutting her hair out, and then part of her legs and hair over there. That's about it for that one. And then on this one, I'm only losing like maybe this piece right here, and then just this piece up here, and that's it on that one. So I'm not losing too much of the image. But on this one in particular, I'm gonna be losing a lot of her hair. I'm gonna end up cutting most of her hair off. This big piece right here, this big piece, I have to cut it off. That's pretty much it on that one. And yeah guys, so I think I'm gonna stick with this idea. Just a quick update guys. So I finally got one all cut out, and then I just got this one left to do. Alright guys, we finally got the anime decal on the hood. I had to cut some of her hair off over here and over there. This one was easy to put on there, but this one here, it was hard because she got all this hair and crap. Yep. Yeah, so now I just gotta wait for it to dry and look for any bubbles. Thanks to the little bro again over there. What? No, the battery is over there. How are you gonna start it? Plus it won't start. For the anime decals, the hood, the sides are done. Yep. Alright guys. Yeah, the car is pretty much done. I got the sides. Oh yeah, right now it's not running because I took the battery out. The passenger side. Yeah. Yeah, the reason why I took the battery out because I was driving it in the road and then just all of a sudden it died. So I tried to get it jumped, but nothing. It wouldn't crank or it wouldn't start. So I found out that the reason why it wouldn't crank or start or any signs of or any of the dash light would come on when you turn the key is because the battery cable fuse box was blown. So I need to get that fuse part, and it's coming in Tuesday, so which is tomorrow. So I'll have it back in there, battery back into the hood, and it will be running again. And then I'll clean it up really good, guys, and do a video shoot with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my other blogs and 350Z blogs.